Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic lined up for you, one that's all about making lasting impressions in the most creative and hilarious ways possible. That's right, we're diving into the realm of psychological tricks. Here are a few creative and unique psychological tricks that can help you make a lasting impression on someone. If you want to make a good impression on someone, just repeat their name over and over again. It's like magic. People love hearing their own name, and they'll think you're the most charming person in the world. The power of names: when you meet someone for the first time, repeat their name in the conversation a few times. It shows that you're attentive and helps you remember their name better, which leaves a positive impression. The unexpected compliment. Give a genuine compliment to others that are unexpected and unrelated to their appearance. For example, say something like, "You have the most contagious laugh." It should come with a warning label. Mirroring: subtly mirror their body language and gestures. It creates a subconscious sense of familiarity and connection. Just remember to keep it natural and not too obvious. The humor connection: use humor to your advantage. Share a funny story or make a witty observation that relates to the conversation. Laughter creates a positive association and can help you stand out. The Me Too technique: find common ground by sharing a personal experience or interest that you both have in common. It helps build rapport and shows that you have shared experiences or perspectives. Give them the limelight. During conversations, show genuine interest in the other person. Ask open-ended questions and actively listen to their responses. Make them feel like the center of attention, and they'll remember you for being a great conversationalist. Unexpected props: carry a quirky or interesting item with you, example a small toy, a unique accessory, and incorporate it into the conversation. It sparks curiosity and can lead to interesting conversations, making you memorable. The "call me by my name" technique: address people by their name when saying goodbye. For example, say, "It was great meeting you, Hira," instead of a generic farewell. It reinforces their name in your memory and leaves a positive impression. Remember, these tricks are meant to be lighthearted and should align with your personality. The key is to be genuine, respectful, and considerate while using them to make a positive and lasting impression.